Welcome to this lecture. You might wonder who I am, so I quickly want to present myself. My name is Bert Golnick and I founded my own company called Golnick Data Solutions, and this is basically me. I have a background in aerospace engineering, but then also I studied economics, and my professional career was around renewable energies. I started out as an aerodynamics engineer for wind turbines, and then I progressed further into data analysis, data science, before I recently founded my own company, which is dedicated on training people on AI mostly. And you can also see that in my experiences. I have for quite a while presented my courses online at different platforms like Udemy, Pact, O'Reilly or Coursera. But I'm also providing lectures at universities or in companies as in-house trainings. But then if you're German speaking, I can also provide you some trainings in German on generative AI, AI engineering or AI strategy. And if you want to read about this topic, I can highly recommend to you my books that I just wrote. Here I have my Generative AI with Python book, which is going to be released in May 25. A German version is going to be published as well, and both are created in cooperation with Rheinwerk. So far I have trained more than 50,000 students online. I have a quite good Udemy rating, and as an engineer I also handed in many different patents. So in short, this is me, and this is the person with whom you're going to spend this course, and I hope I can teach you a lot about all of this and you have fun working with the course. Thanks and see you in the next one.